I was able to snag not one but two red edition from Target. Such a rewarding feeling. A who shout out to my subscriber, Amazing Cause 1324, who suggested I should go for Mercedes Benz 500E. That's definitely on my list for next round. Thanks for the tip. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chill with Sabi. I hope you're all doing well. It's been an exciting journey recently as Target has been stocking up. The aisles are getting emptier quickly and more collectors are jumping into the game. But don't worry, there is still hope. Just go with the flow and you might just find your treasure. In the latest stock, M2 machine and 2025 Hot Wheels mainline from case L and E have been stocked. So if you're a hunt for treasure hunt, I have got you covered with my ultimate guide to scoring a treasure hunt. Check it out for some helpful tips. Oh, and finally got my hands on Optimus Prime from the Transformer line. I'm super excited to do an unboxing video for that, so stay tuned. And I also found a few Team Transport diecasts like Sakura Sprinter and 1972 Toyota Corolla Levin. However, I was hoping to find Flipsider Hauler with the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster, but it was already taken, so next time for sure. From the car culture, the Hammer Drop series, unfortunately there is no chance of chase in the 5 car set, but I managed to snag the cars except the Bugatti Veyron. Not really fan of it. The next 5 pack, the Motor Show. For all Japanese car lovers, the 5 pack from Nightburn is definitely worth picking up. The Matchbox 5 pack was also great, especially for 1979 Chevy Nova. And if you're into bikes, Master 2-wheelers are a must-have. They look amazing. And I also like their adjustable suspension, truck and trailers, plus their 1:64 cars. And their 1:32 models have working doors, so how cool is that to have those 1:32 scale? So these are just some of the diecast updates from my latest find. So if you are looking to add any of these to your collection, make sure to stop by to your local store. Who knows, you might find what you have been searching for. So that's all for today's update. Stay tuned for more diecast news and new releases coming soon. So if you are new here, please subscribe, and if you're already part of the family, don't forget to like, share, and hit that bell for notification. Until next time, keep exploring, keep smiling, and happy collecting.